You guys, this looks like a fun one. It's a meme where Matt Parker is laughing at it, and it says infinity times the matrix 0, -1, 1, 0 is equal to 8. Let's look at the math why this is funny. So first, this matrix 0, -1, 1, 0, that is a rotation matrix. If you do matrix multiplication in this way, it'll rotate your figure 90 degrees clockwise. So let's test it out. If we plot all these points, it makes an infinity. Here it is right here. And you can see they form a nice looking infinity symbol. Next, let's take all these points and stick them in a matrix like this. All of the x values are in the first column and all the corresponding y values are in the second column. And let's do this matrix multiplication. So when you're multiplying a matrix that's 15 rows by 2 columns times a matrix that's 2 rows by 2 columns, you're going to get another matrix that's 15 rows by 2 columns. So this first element is the first row, first column. So we're going to take the first row, first column. And we'll do the 0 times 10 plus the 1 times 30. And then next we'll do the first row, second column, which will give us first row, second column. And same thing, we're going to do the -1 times the 10 plus the 0 times the 30. And the same thing for here. If we want to do the second row, first column, it's going to be second row, first column. And we'll end up doing the 0 times the 70 plus 1 times the 30. And same thing for here and here and here and here and here. The pattern is just going to keep going on. Eventually, we'll build out all of this. And now we can simplify this matrix. So 0 times the 10 just goes away, so that's going to vanish. And same thing for all of these 0 times. They're all going to go away. And we could do the same thing on this side. 0 times 30 is going to go away, and same thing for all of these 0 times. And now it's easier to see the two columns. Here's the first column, here's the second column. So this 1 times 30, the 1 isn't doing anything. And same thing for all of these ones. Next, -1 times 10, well, that's just going to be -10. And same thing for all of these, it's just going to be the negative of the number. Now we have a new matrix that occurred after we multiplied these. And let's change all of these rows into points, and let's plot the points. And here are all the new plotted points. It ended up forming an 8. So this infinity, after we multiplied it by that matrix, turned it into an 8. And that's what's going on in this meme. And if you want to learn more about matrix multiplication, I have a link in the description. How exciting.